Today I'm going to work on the backflip. Let me get rid of the AI for now. And also bring the hierarchy window down here so that I can see the game better. Okay, I'm going to go to mixamo.com and look for a flip, a backflip animation. Backflip. Download 60 frames per second. And then I'm going to drag it into my animations folder. Characters, humanoid animations. Drag it in there. Turn it into humanoid. Apply. Configure. Okay, looks like everything is green. If it's not, you can always clear auto map and then enforce T-pose. Apply and done. I'm going to rename the animation here. Backflip. And I don't want the entire animation. Okay, maybe from here to here. Okay, apply. Now I got to drag this into my animator window for our main character, business male, animator. And I'm going to go from idle to backflip. Let me check my idle folder. And it looks like we're already using 2 indexers. I'm going to create one more. So that's going to be 3. Transition indexer. I'm going to name it player transition indexer. Idle to backflip. And the index is going to be 3. Let me rename the other ones so that you know where you're going from to where you're going. So idle to backflip index is 3. And right now we don't have the condition. I want to use the double tap for triggering the backflip. So I'm going to go in there, the transition indexer script. And then I'm going to add double tap up. And for later, I'm going to add more. Up, down, left, and right. Today we're just going to do up. I'm going to go down to the conditions, or the part where we're checking conditions. And we want to check if the condition type is double tap up. Let me write the other 3 in advance. Up, down, left, right. I'll define them later. Just return false for now. And for up, we just want to check manual control. We don't have manual control in the character control yet. So I'm going to go into character control. Add a component here. Manual, oh, it's manual input, not manual control. Manual input. And just like the others in the beginning, the character control will have manual input, the script, because manual input is going to have a list of all the double taps, And we want to find out if that list contains the input key type up. Okay, so if the double tap up is in the list, it means we have pressed the double tap. And if it's not in the list, we fail the condition. Make sure you save all the code. And if I go back to Unity, back to the idle folder. So for the backflip, the condition is that double tap up is true. Okay, and the index is 3. So from idle to the backflip, get rid of the exit time. The condition is that the indexer equals 3. And then when you're done with the animation, we go back to idle. This time we're going to have the exit time because we're going to transition at the end of the animation. Okay, I'll make it a little faster, 1.5. Okay, I'm going to make sure that the idle state has the indexer. So I add the backflip indexer to idle. And now if I play, if I double tap, we should be doing the backflip. Okay. I want a little more animation. Where's the backflip? So a little more. I want a bit of a prep time. Okay. Maybe 1.5 is too fast. I'll try 1.35. Okay. And a little less prep time. Okay, make sure foot IK is turned on. Let me check the conditions here. I'm going to set this on the foot. Okay, I guess that's a little better. Okay. Right now the character is not changing the position, but we're going to add a backward force or a move forward with a negative speed and a jump so that the player jumps a little bit and then moves back while doing the backflip. I think I'm going to do that in the next video. For now, I'm just happy that I got the animation transition working. Okay, and obviously everything else should be the same. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.